This one's all about your bathroom drains. You know how they get clogged up and gunked up, and you go out and you spend all this money on, you know, liquid Drano or something like that, and you pour it in there and nothing happens. It's still gunked up, right? End up calling a plumber or something like that. Or it could be that you dropped an earring down the sink or something and you're freaked out. Well, there's a real easy way to get to that, okay? This is underneath your sink, okay? This is called the U-bend. This is real easy to come off, okay? Now, these just spin right off with your hands. I'm not particularly strong. You don't need a tool. These just come right off, okay? They spin. Takes a second. There's one. Now, you do need to have a bucket underneath because there will be a little bit of water that comes out, and it might be gross. Now, okay, there you go. See, now it's all gunked up, all dirty in there. All you really got to do is take this over into your kitchen. I see. Ugh, gross. You just take that over into your kitchen, clean it out, spray some bleach in there, whatever you got to do to get the clog out, and then that's it. Put it back on, and that's all. And if you did lose an earring or something like that down there, that's probably where it's going to get caught. This stopper right here, this gets really clogged up with gunk too. And this is attached to this thing in the back, as most people know. It goes up and down. I'm going to show you how to detach it from this so that you can actually pull this thing out and clean it.
Hi everybody. Okay, so what you need to pull off is this little bolt right here. You just need to turn it and then loosen it up enough to be able to pull this out. This is the lever that opens and closes that drain. You might be able to do this with your fingers, but mine was a little bit tight initially, so just loosened it up. Now, once you pull this out, ew, gross. But that is what attaches to, let's come up here. See, now you can actually pull this out just fine. Oh, God, that's disgusting. That's kind of embarrassing, actually. But anyway, so you can take that out, you can clean it, and let's see if we can see all the way down the drain. Wow, that's downright creepy. Just so you guys understand how this works inside the pipe, this little plastic piece is what feeds through the circle at the bottom of your stopper. So it basically goes on like this, and as you move it up and down, it pulls down or pushes up on the stopper. Now the tricky part is trying to feed this piece into this little circle when it's inside the pipe and you can't really see it. You want to take this, kind of stick it in there just loosely. Okay, so you see how I'm moving that with my hand underneath the sink. I'm lifting that up and down. Lift it all the way up, and then pull it out a little bit. And you can feel when this guy goes all the way down, you can kind of feel it touch the top of that, and then just kind of play with it a little bit for it to really get in there good. But I got it in there, and it's not pulling back out, so we're good to go. All right. Now, before you tighten it with the channel locks, you want to make sure again that it's opening and closing properly. And then you just go back with your channel locks or your wrench and tighten it. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, but only if you're actually looking at it. If you're from behind it, you got to do the opposite direction. So I'm actually doing. So to get this guy back on, this is actually really easy. Just going to set that, rest that there. All right. Make sure it's lined up over here as well. All right. So that's the basics of how to clean out your sink without using any kind of drain cleaner or anything like that. Not so hard. A little gross, yeah, maybe, but it's your gross, so it's all on you, buddy. And honestly, it did actually smell a little bit too. So if you're having a funk in your bathroom and you can't identify what it is, maybe it's your sink. Could be. So anyway, hope that helps somebody out there.